Hi everyone, guys. Today is the 3rd of April. My last born will be turning 8 years old tomorrow, being 4th of April. So this night, I decided to make some party jollof rice for him for his birthday. Against tomorrow, so I'm cooking it tonight. Then I'm going to bake a cake for him, of course, birthday cake. This guy told me that he wants color in his cake, that I should put color red on his cake. And I was like, okay boss, I'll do just as you have said. So yeah, I'll be baking as well and see if I will be able to make puff puff depending on the time. It's already late, guys. It is about 7 p.m. or thereabout. So yeah, let me just put one or two things. By the way, I just came back from work. I'm exhausted, but mother's duty calls, so I have to answer. Okay, it's a special day for my last born baby of the house tomorrow, and I want to try to make it as special as possible. So join me and let's get this done. You can see it's already late. Look at how dark outside is. But I am in the kitchen, mother's duty.